Hello everyone and welcome back to Scientist Express, your go-to place for everything about machine learning, AI, data science and credit risk. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting topic called machine learning in microfinance, where we are going to see how machine learning is changing the game for financial institutions by tapping into India's under-penetrated credit market and driving massive growth. Ready to find out how? Let's get started. Did you know that in India, millions of people still don't have access to basic banking services? In fact, when it comes to credit, like credit cards, car loans, we are way behind countries like the US or Europe. This is especially true for the huge unbanked population living in Tier 3 and Tier 4 cities. They are not part of any credit bureaus, they don't have bank statements, and the traditional banks simply don't lend to them. But things are changing fast and it's all thanks to microfinance. Microfinance is transforming lives by helping people living in these Tier 3, Tier 4 cities who don't have any credit history to get them small loans to grow their businesses. Imagine 5 women running a small business together and earning just about 10,000 a month. They are not eligible for traditional loans, but with microfinance it's possible. Microfinance starts small with a cycle 1 loan of maybe 20 or 25,000. With that, they can buy a sewing machine, scale their business and they can double their income from 10,000 to 20,000 a month. And when they repay that loan on time, they start building something powerful, the credit history. This repayment history builds their behavior score, a machine learning model that analyzes how well they manage their finances even without a formal credit history. If their behavior score looks good, they move on to cycle 2 loan, which in case of microfinance can be 10 times bigger. That's a jump from 25,000 to over 2 lakhs. With that, they can buy more machines, hire more people and can really scale up their business. From 10,000 a month, they could now be making 80,000 or even 1 lakh per month. And when they reach that level, they are now eligible for mainstream financial products like consumer durable loans, car loans or even home loans. But how do financial institutions decide whether they are ready for these products and won't default? That's where another machine learning model called the graduation score comes in. A graduation score checks whether a microfinance customer is ready for consumer loans without defaulting. If they pass, they get access to pre-approved consumer products, things like unsecured personal loans, car loans or credit cards. And once they start using these products, another machine learning model kicks in, the Consumer Behavior Scorecard. This model tracks how well they are managing these new credit lines. If they handle it well, they become eligible for higher credit limits and even more financial products. But it doesn't stop there. As their business continues to grow, they might register their business in MCA and start paying GST, thus becoming eligible for MSME loan. And guess what? There is another machine learning model called MSME Behavior Score, which evaluates their business performance. And if they score well, they get pre-approved MSME loan to expand even further. Thus, a cycle 1 loan of 25,000 eventually leads to 50 lakh or even 1 crore in exposure, all through measured risk-controlled growth. And because these loans are pre-approved and based on solid data, it minimizes risk for the financial institutions. This isn't just changing lives, it's driving India's financial inclusion story. And the growth potential here is massive. We are talking 10x, even 100x growth by the next decade. All of this is powered by machine learning, and the demand for skilled professionals who can build these intelligent models is skyrocketing. That's where Scientist Express comes in. We specialize in helping working professionals transition into high-impact careers in machine learning, AI, credit risk, and data science. Imagine being the mind behind algorithms that empower people, uplift communities, and fuel financial growth. Sounds exciting, right? If you are ready to be part of this incredible growth story, check out our programs at scientistexpress.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights in